Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Recently, you'll get, most probably you'll get your result on Monday. Okay. Not result, we will tell you your marks. Okay. We'll send you photo on WhatsApp group. Okay. And yesterday, now let us come back to our studies. Yesterday, we were studying about a great leader. What was name of that great leader? Anybody can tell? The name of the great leader is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His full name is what? Come on, write down in your book somewhere. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Write down in your English book upside. Right? There is a place in your book. Write down full name of Mahatma Gandhi ji over here. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and we studied. He never liked killing others, or he never used weapons or arms. Correct? He never used weapons, arms, and what we call rifles to kill others. Whenever he used to, whenever he wanted to fight with British people, he used to use non-violence way of living. Never he liked to trouble others by hurting them. Understood? And then it is told that one day, and Gandhiji's willpower was, he was a man of iron will. Strong determination. Whatever he was deciding, that he used to do. He decided that he is going to start the morning and evening prayers. He started morning and evening prayers, and one day also he did not stop those prayers. And do you know one fact I want to tell you? That Mahatma Gandhi was killed by one person. His name is Nathuram Godse. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? Nathuram Godse. Nathuram Godse was the name of a person, and he killed Mahatma Gandhi by shooting him. Are you understanding or not? What is meaning of that? समजले का तुम्हाला? नथुराम गोडसे हा आपल्या भारतातला एक माणूस होता, आणि त्यांनी काय केलं? त्यांनी महात्मा गांधीजींना गोळ्या झाडल्या होत्या मीन्स मारल्या होत्या. आणि ते कधी मारल्या होत्या? ज्या वेळेस महात्मा गांधीजी सकाळची प्रेयर करायचे, संध्याकाळची प्रेयर करायचे. महात्मा गांधीजी संध्याकाळच्या प्रेयरला ज्यावेळेस घरातून बाहेर आले, आणि ते कॉरिडोर, आवर स्कूल इज हॅव्हिंग कॉरिडोर, राईट? And then when he was walking in the corridor with his two daughters. Now Mahatma Gandhi was not having daughters. Those two girls were his followers. Are you understanding or not? Manubai and something name is there about the another girl. And then he was walking in the corridor, and in front, from front only Nathuram Godse came and he said, Mahatma Gandhi ji, I want to take your blessings. मला तुमचं दर्शन घ्यायचे. आणि महात्मा गांधीजींच्या पायाचं दर्शन घ्यायला गेल्यानंतर तो खाली वाकला, आणि त्यांनी बंदूक ठेवलेली होती. ही हॅड केप्ट रायफल, पिस्तोल इन हिज पॉकेट. ही रिमूव्ड दॅट पिस्तोल अँड शूटेड महात्मा गांधीजी इन हिज चेस्ट. 2 to 3 bullets went inside the chest of Mahatma Gandhiji, and when Mahatma Gandhiji was going to die, that time also what wordings came into his mouth? He said something, Hey Ram. ज्या वेळेस महात्मा गांधीजींनी स्वतःचा जीव सोडला, त्यावेळेस ते काय म्हटले? हे राम. अँड ही वॉज जस्ट, वाय यू नो what is reason behind why Nathuram Godse killed him? Nathuram Godse killed him because his parents were killed at Punjab. When India was divided into India and Pakistan, ज्या वेळेस इंडियाचा आणि पाकिस्तानचा सेपरेट झाले, काही जमीन पंजाबची पाकिस्तानला गेली, काही जमीन पंजाबची इंडियाला गेली. पण मग त्या जमिनीवरती जे लोक राहत होते, त्या लोकांना त्यांचं घर सोडावं लागलं. आणि नथुराम गोडसे हा पंजाबचा असल्यामुळे when they were fighting, they were Indians were telling, no, we will not give our land. आता imagine करा, तुम्हाला जर तुमची शेती मागितली तर तुम्ही देणार आहे का? No. And they started fighting, and in that fight some Pakistanis killed Indians, and in those Indians Nathuram Godse's father and mother was killed. Are you getting? That is history. I have read book. The name of book is Freedom at Midnight. What you have to do, tell your parents to buy that book. It is getting for 400 rupees. Big book it is. It is having 700 pages, and we have read. I have read in my old school. It was compulsory made for us to read that book, Freedom at Midnight. What is the name of book? Freedom at Midnight. Freedom at Midnight. This is name of the book. You should read this book. In that everything is given of independence. How India was ruled by British. Then how India was divided from Pakistan. There were some leaders of British. They used to like Simon, and then Mountbatten. Correct? There were many leaders. Too much big history is there, and I have told you one small part of that history to you. Nathuram Godse killed Mahatma Gandhi during evening prayers. I told you Mahatma Gandhi was of strong will, strong determination. He decided that I will start morning and evening prayers. Whatever he decided, he did it. And when he said that I am going to make our country India independent, he tried his level best to get freedom for our country. Understood? Now in further paragraph, something is given. What is there? Here it is. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence, that is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Okay, there are two words now in this. Mahatma Gandhi used to like to wear simple. His behavior was also like that only. He used to like to live simple life. Are you understanding? Non-violence. Kunala त्रास द्यायचा नाही. Okay. He used to like to live simple life, not hurting others. एक शब्दाने सुद्धा दुसऱ्याला त्रास द्यायचा नाही. That was whose way of living? Mahatma Gandhi's way of living. And his clothes were very simple. Do you think what Mahatma Gandhi was not able to buy any fancy clothes? Yes, he was father of nation. He was father of nation, and many people were working under him. Many people were his followers. He was quite rich. He was able to take any fashionable clothes. If he would decide to take 2,000, 3,000 rupees clothes, he was able to take. But then he used to wear a loincloth. Loincloth means what? कापडाचा तुकडा. Okay, धोतीचा तुकडा. And that piece of cloth he used to wrap on his waist. कमरावरती बांधायची ती. ओके, आणि गळ्यामध्ये काय घ्यायची? एक छोटीशी शॉल. That was whose clothes? That was clothes of Mahatma Gandhi. And why he used to wear such type of clothes? That is given in next paragraph. Okay, are you getting on what I am saying? I have told you today lot of information about Mahatma Gandhi ji. See this book. His full name is what? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Which book you should read? Freedom at Midnight. That book is very much important. This book is having 700 pages. Nathuram Godse was the name of a person who killed Mahatma Gandhi ji. कशाने मारलं? पिस्तूलने. He shooted Mahatma Gandhi ji. Are you understanding? In this way, I have completed only one paragraph of this lesson, but you should understand everything in detail. So I am giving you extra information of the lesson. There are two words in this lesson: loincloth and deliberate. Write down meanings of these two words in your notebook: loincloth and deliberate. A single piece of cloth, cloth wrapped on the body, wrapped on the body. Deliberate means consciously, deliberate means consciously or done consciously. कोणतीही गोष्ट consciously करतो आपण. Okay, unconscious means what? बेशुद्ध. And conscious means what? जे लोक बेशुद्ध नसतात त्याला कॉन्शियस नसतात. ओके, डन कॉन्शियसली. Deliberately means consciously, to keep their mind on the place and then do work. Okay, in this way we have completed one paragraph. Write down yesterday some meanings were given. 2 meanings I had given you yesterday, and today I have given you 2 meanings. Write down these meanings in the notebook and do one thing. There are 3 words you have to write down meanings of these 3 words. Write the meanings of the following words with the help of passage. A man of iron will, loin cloth and non-violence. Please complete this question first. Now you will say, madam, where is loin cloth meaning? Loin cloth meaning is given on the board. A piece of cloth wrapped on the body. Second one is, first one is a man of iron will. Meaning of this word is what? A man of strong determination. A man असंच ठेवायचं. A man of. इथेच लिहायचं आणि पुढे काय जोडायचं? Strong determination. And which is third one? Non-violence. Non-violence means not hurting others. Non-violence means what? Not hurting others. Not hurting others. Write down meanings of those 3 words in your English notebook and also in your English workbook. English workbook आणि notebook दोन्ही पण notebook workbook सोबत write करायचे. Okay, and you have to do one work for me. I have made my own channel on YouTube. The name of channel is Manju Gorde. You have to search. Go on YouTube. YouTube वरती गेल्यानंतर ते सर्च बटन असतं, राईट? तिथे माझं नाव टाकायचं मंजू गोरडे. And then when you will click on Manju Gorde name, my photo will come on one side, my subscribers will come on one side, and one side it is written subscribe. Please click on that word subscribe. If you are not able to do it, tell your parents to do it, and please subscribe my channel on YouTube. Okay, thank you.